What's up, Peak Timers? Let's go ahead and open up a bunch of new Hot Wheels, including this Hot Wheels 10-pack, this mystery box, as well as 10 Hot Wheels singles. And we'll start it off with this Hot Wheels 10-pack. And the first one that we have is a Hot Wheels Racing Team stock car, Hot Wheels logo on the front as well as the number 3 on the top. Next we have the 2017 Camaro Zl1, this one blue with the number 17, blacked out rims with the white walls on them, really nice looking. Next we've got a Plymouth Roadrunner muscle car, cool looking stripes down the center as well as on the side. Hot Wheels Fantasy Car Maximum Leeway, good looking Hot Wheels logo on the back right there, all the graphics on the side, this one looks like it's going fast. Dodge Charger Drift in a fire department livery on here. It's even got the lights on the top. Look at that one with a big wing on the back. A classic white Corvette Stingray with cool looking blue with the side striping right there. Nice staggered wheel look. I love the design of these classic Corvette Stingrays. A Lamborghini Huracan LP610-4, one of the coolest looking colors that I've seen released for this car. Blacked out wheels to go with that nice stripe down the center. In Pavito 1, this Hot Wheels fantasy car looks super futuristic. Check out that window where you can see right through to the other side. One of my favorite cars of all time, the McLaren P1, gray wheels on this one, new color in this exclusive Hot Wheels 10-pack. Just check out those lights on the front too. One of the coolest, fastest cars ever made. 10-pack exclusive car, the 2007 Shelby GT500 Mustang. Check out the white and gray camo on the side, as well as that stripe that goes right down the center. Very nicely designed with a cool livery on it. Hot Wheels singles, we'll start with the 2017 Ford F-150 Raptor. We've got a new color variation of this one. Check it out with the big Raptor logo on the side. Really nice looking back end with the Ford right there, and as well as that Ford on the front end. Overall, a great looking truck. One of the longest named cars ever, the Porsche Panamera Turbo SE Hybrid Sport Turismo. This one in white with blacked out wheels on there. Check this one out. We've even got the chrome lip on the wheels right there. Nice looking front headlights, the Porsche logo right there as well. And on the back end, we've got the Tampa Works for the light. Overall, a great design. 1994 Bugatti Eb 110 SS. SS stands for Super Sport. This is our first color variation and release of this car in blue. We will get another white one coming soon, but check out this blue color with those chrome 10-spoke wheels on there. Great design from the front end, even that little Bugatti logo and the horseshoe grille. Overall, just one of the coolest early 90s supercars. 2020 Jeep Gladiator, this one in red. It's got the little motorbikes on the back of it. Check those ones out. Two little motorbikes matching, as well as the raised suspension. Look at the wide body on this one and a great looking grille. Very, very cool looking Jeep. Nissan R390 Gt1, a supercar from the mid 90s that wasn't super popular, but being from Nissan, you don't see many exotics coming out of Japan. This one was a really cool designed car, and I would love to see this one in real life, but check it out in Hot Wheels format in this red color. Tesla Model 3 in blue. Fun fact, this is my car in real life. I bet you guys didn't know that, but here you go. We've got the Hot Wheels variation of it. And let's go ahead and open this one up. You can see the blue color, obviously. I love that blue color, the glass window on the top, and our front design with the Tesla logo, as well as the lights on the back. Very, very well done. Those chrome wheels, maybe not for me. I prefer black, but still look really, really nice. Mclaren Speedtail, the original release of this car. Absolutely love this car in real life. The center driving position of this one. Check it out. Even the different wheel tire combination in the front and back. Glass all on the top, and even look at that line right there just to signify the speed that the Speedtail from McLaren is. Another fun fact that I bet most of you guys already know, the McLaren F1 is my favorite car of all time, and I love the fact that we've got the road car variation now in a Hot Wheels format. You can see it in the original silver color, which is the launch color of this car, and also we will be getting some new color variations of this one in Hot Wheels. Check out those lights on the front end right there. Look excellent. Great design on the back end as well. They've done an excellent job of this McLaren F1. Big Air Bel Air, one of the coolest cars that they've done after a Bel Air in real life. This one's all raised up suspension. It's all done for an off-road. You can even see the mudded out tires on this one. Very, very cool detail with those light bars on the top, the push bar on the front end. I love all the color variations they're releasing of the Big Air Bel Air. 67 Camaro, this one in white. It's got some writing on the side of it. I'm not really sure what the significance is. You can see it says worldwide with a bunch of like arrows and stuff on the side. I really don't know what it means. If you guys know, comment in the comment section down below. We do have the DC logo, which I do recognize, but overall, the Camaros from the 60s were very, very nice looking. Hot Wheels Rewards Cars Mystery Box. We've got 10 Hot Wheels in here, as well as a bunch of stickers. Let's go ahead and open this one up and see all the cool Hot Wheels that are included inside. We'll start it off with our first one right here. We'll go ahead and pop this one open and see what we have. We do get stickers included with all of these cars, and let's see which car this one is right here. This one is the Track Ripper. I loved when this car came out originally. Very, very cool matte finish color on this one with the gray wheels. Our next one that we have right here, let's go ahead and see what we've got right here. We've got on the bottom, I will read it out, the Carbonic. Check it out, the Carbonic. Again, all of these come with the gold stickers right here, but look at the Carbonic with those wheels right there. A really, really cool design. Another matte finish car. I wonder if it's a trend for the cars that are included in here. We'll grab another one right here. We'll open this one up and see what this one is. More stickers, we'll put that on the side. This one is Mox Speeder. I mean, we knew that. Look at Mox Speeder. Love this fantasy car. This one does have some gloss on it. It's an exclusive color as well. We've got red trim, red spoiler, black, and then the silver striping on it. So that's a really, really cool color variation. I have not seen that one before. Let's go ahead and grab another one right here. And we'll open this one up, and we've got another one of our stickers right here. And this one is the Project Speeder. Project Speeder, really, really cool glossy color on this one right here. Almost looks like some paint effects, but I think that's actually supposed to be like that to give it more of a rustic look. You can see it kind of shine on the top right there. We've got the big engine in chrome on there, and then just check out that front end. Very raw looking car. We'll put that aside, and we'll see what our next one in package right here is. We'll go ahead and pop that one out. And this one, I'm not too sure what this one is. I can't really see it on the back right here. I can't remember the exact name of it. But if you guys comment down below, I'll like your comment if you know which one this is. I like the gold wheels on there. Very, very neat. All right, we'll go ahead and throw that aside. Our next one that we have right here, we'll open that one up. Another really cool, interesting sticker, as well as the car we have, Grupo X24. Grupo X24. Look at this one right here. Plastic bodied, by the way, but it feels pretty good quality. We got the blacked out wheels on there. Big diffuser on this one. That is absolutely crazy. All right, we'll throw him aside. We've got another one right here, and let's see what we have in this one. We've got more stickers in here. We'll throw those aside. This one looks like some sort of racing car right here. We'll see what it says on the bottom. It doesn't say the specific name of the car. CFLO2. If we look that code up, that will actually tell you the name of the car. Fun fact on that one. But if you guys comment down below this one as well, we'll like your comment on that one as well. We'll throw ahead, put it aside right there. Our next one that we have, we'll go ahead and open him up. We've got another race car as well. What race car is this one? I like that one. This one looks like a fast formula or some sort. This one does not say on the back either, but again, comment down below if you guys know what this one is. Wow, I like the 8 on there. I like the black. Ooh, the Hot Wheels logo is also a really cool color as well. That's an interesting car. All right, our last car that we're opening up today, let's see what it is. What do you guys think it's gonna be? What do you guys think it's gonna be? We've got another fantasy car. What is this one? We've got the Monta Racer right here. Check out Monta Racer. That's a really cool color. Check out all the slots and stuff on this one. Single seat solo car, and I don't know if these are exhaust or something on the back. That is quite interesting. Inside of the box, we had one more car hiding in there. This one just didn't want to get opened up, but hey, we're doing it anyways. Let's go ahead and open our last one up and see what this is. We've got, ooh, is this the Driftinator? What is this one right here? Maximum Leeway. Maximum Leeway. My bad. I thought it was a Driftinator, but we've got Maximum Leeway right here. I mean, you were a little bit scared, Maximum Leeway. I don't know why you didn't want to come out of the box, but you are out of the box, and look at you all loose right there. Number 5 on the side of it. Very, very cool. With all of the cool Hot Wheels cars that we opened up today, let me know in the comment section down below which one was your favorite. Don't forget to hit that like, follow, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.